Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get to first message on Instagram. So actually guys, I'm gonna show you just an example with random conversation like that one. So you will need to head over and tap on that conversation that you want to get to the first message, and as you can see, when you want just scroll up to the beginning of the conversation, it will take too much time, especially if it's a long conversation. So actually guys, you will just need to tap on the name of the contacts that you want to get to the first message on your conversation, and after that just go ahead and tap on search. So right then, just try to remember the words that that you used to type on your earlier conversation. So for me, I will go with that word, then I will hit the search button. Right, so then as you can see, you will be presented with all the messages that include this word. So for then you will need to check the dates of each one. So for me, I will go with that one because it's will be located on the first message of that conversation. So once you will tap on it, it will be forwarded to the beginning of the conversation, or the first message of the conversation. So everyone, to do that, you will actually need to go to your profile on Instagram. So just tap on your profile picture right here, located on the bottom right, and then just go and tap on the three lines on the top right. After that, you will need to tap on Account Center, then just scroll a bit and tap on your information and permissions. Download your informations, and then go with download or transfer information. Right, so just select your Instagram account, go with next, then just go with all available information. After that, just go with download to device, right, and then create files. So actually guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.